Okay, guys, welcome to the coupon count. We are here to do some scenarios for Friday or whenever these is anytime deals. Of course, you know they don't have a 5 off 25, so let's go do some quick little deals, real easy, um, and straight to the point. Clearance aisle. Okay, so they never have a good clearance aisle to me, so I just go ahead on and I keep it moving with their clearance stuff. Okay, so we're gonna grab one Arm& Hammer, and it is at $3. You wanna get the one with the 32, and then look, it's a coupon. So grab that one. These are at here it is, $3. You get $1 off coupon, making these $2. Okay, so these are $2. That is a $2 smart coupon, guys. So the smart coupon means digital coupon. So let's go and grab the next quick, easy deal we have. Okay, here it is, X. I got two of these. Two Axe body wash at $4. One and two. Okay, so for the Axe deodorant right here, you're gonna use this coupon. Okay, now I took a screenshot of it, picture of my coupon because I don't have any more. Okay, so you're gonna use two of these coupons that you know it's buy one get a free body wash, buy a Axe deodorant or body spray. So the deodorant is actually cheaper than the body wash. So those are $2.75. These are $4. They're gonna only charge you for these. Okay. So if you get these two things plus that, let's see how much you'll be paying in pocket. So for the two Axes and the gang, and the Arm & Hammer, this is the only thing that you're paying for. Four of these are free. You're going to pay $7 for this. This is also make a good gift, guys, because on this gift, I'll add a loofah for this one, a loofah for that one, and turn this into a gift to give to somebody. So that's a good gift. If you look at the Axe gifts, they look just like that. So now we're going to do a Dove deal, and this is a real easy deal also. Two Dove. So they're at $3.85. So for the Dove, this is the coupon you're going to use. This is the size you're going to get. And you saw it. It was $3.85, but you see that, right? So you're going to grab two of those. So for this deal, you're going to use one for this one and one for that one. And then you're going to use that buy one Axe deodorant and get an Axe free. Okay, and this is that's the coupon. It's a paper. I'm just showing you a shot of it. So this deal right here, 1, 2, 3. This deal came up to $4 out of pocket. This is probably the best deal, and I've actually done this deal 3 times because I'm doing baskets. So I've done this a couple of times, $4. Next, you could do this deal, which I just made it up in the store. You could do the Arm & Hammer, which is $3, take $1 off digital. Then if you go in your December P&G, these are buy one get one free. These are $3 a piece. So $3 plus 2. This is $5 right here. This make an awesome deal to make up another basket. You can give away a household basket. So that is $5 on the head. Plus you got a coupon for the next deal if you want to do it again. Okay, the next deal that we're doing is you could do this for $3. Take that $1 off digital or that paper that you have, and then you do two Doves at $3.85 a piece, and you should come out to $3.70 for that. Another small haul, nice and easy. You do not have to strain yourself doing expensive hauls. You don't have to do it. Let's go to the next one. Okay, I call this my men's haul right here. If you want to do just the Febreze, buy one get one free from the December P&G, and then the Dove $3 off coupon at $3.85. This would be a great deal. I call this a men's haul. Then you're looking at $4 altogether. So yes, it is able. You got one of your deals. We got down to $3.40. So yes, guys, it depends on your store, because actually I was in a Family Dollar that was much cheaper than this one. The Dove was $3.75 and the Axe was $2.50. So find your lowest store. You know how to find your cheap store and use that store. Don't use any other stores. I'm just trying to get some good scenario deals because they are well worth it. Okay, so just bear with me. Let's go look at the Christmas stuff, because they got a 5 off 15 that we should be doing. Let's get to some of the Christmas deals. Like they got the Black & Decker coffee cup for a 12 count cup, and they are actually $10, not $13. On Black Friday will be $10. These right here, gala basics, will be $6, and these will be $5. So I think all of them will be $5 if I'm not mistaken. So make sure you check your Black Friday ad, because one of those ads stop on Wednesday and start back up again on Friday. So you just got to get that ad and see what's going on with it. And you know, all of their Christmas stuff is buy $15 worth, get $5 off. So actually, I would, if you need a tree, here's a $20 tree, pay $15 for it. Okay, here's their dollar aisle. You can scoop up any of their dollar stuff right here, all of that dollar stuff, all of them. You could paint these. It look like you could paint them. So here's some more other deals right here. You could do. These is $3. You could stack all of these up. Get stockings if you need stockings. But they're $1. Dollar Tree has much better stockings than these. So just go to Dollar Tree and grab some great ones from there. We looked at all of this. This is a part of the 5 by $15 worth. You get $5 off. Great deal, guys. I am going to grab some of this stuff, but I'm not going to grab it today. I'm just trying to figure out which I want, because I am actually running around at stores. I just want you all to see some of the 55. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous right there. I think, oh, here it is. If you put a red bow around his neck, it'll accent and look better like that. Okay. Then they got little light up trees. He light up. Yep. Oh, well, didn't work, but it does light up, supposedly. We're looking at the bird houses. You got angels. All of these by $15 worth. You're good. They got rugs under there. Let it snow. I had that last year. I loved it. And here is some more angel toppers. Here's some singing Christmas animals right here. $10. So some people come in here and rack up and get kids toys. That coupon will also be in the newspaper, guys. So if you want to do it multiple times, you can do it multiple times for people who have kids but don't want to spend, is on a budget and don't want to spend too much. Here is another set right here. Let's see. Oh. Watch the crock pots, guys. One of those crock pots is a recall. I'm gonna show it to you in Walmart if it's there when I go. Okay, be looking for that Walmart Black Friday ad to drop on Thursday night. That'll be coming out. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. At $2 each. And the coupon for $2 is from December P&G, so they'll be what, 75 cents a piece. I'm still trying to use these guys. Oh, look at those good gift sets. Okay. Wow, those are pretty. Go get in the line. No, you didn't. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna just give you a flash of some of the stuff that I bought, even though I showed you a breakdown. And instead of the gain, I used the Arm and Hammer. Okay, that's actually what I did. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, share my channel, and that's Family Dollar Breakdowns.